Right, we've got the Jimny in the workshop today, and we are going to do a little quick video of taking the bumper off. Now, you might want to take your front bumper off to change your fog lights, but I'm not sure whether the fog light surround pulls out, but we just want to take it all off and have a look behind there. You might be changing your radiator or doing some other bits or fitting some groovy metal front bar or something. Right, so how does it come off? It looks like, and we haven't done this, so I'm making it up, but it looks like we've got 3 plastic clips we've got to take off here. 1, 2, 3. Oddly, it's sort of asymmetric, which is kind of cool. And then on the wheel arch, it looks like we have got up here, we've got a socket, 10mm socket, and then we've got some more plastic clips where the wheel arch liner goes in. 1, 2, and then underneath, all the way underneath, it looks like we have got a couple of plastic clips on the outside here, there and there. So we've got loads of these plastic clips, and then there is a couple of crosshead Phillips screws here. So we are going to get on and do that. Let's make a start on it. Whoosh. Right, let's have a go on these clips then. Who's having a go on these?
Want me to do it?
Yeah, go on then, Megan. Right, so there's a little sort of, there's little entry points. You've got to get a little screwdriver in, fire the middle part out. Let's have a look. So you've got to fire the middle part of it out, and then the outer part. Right, well, let's have another go at that.
In here.
Yeah.
Oh, that was easy.
That was easy. They're a lot easier than the Land Rover ones, I've got to be honest.
Maybe this has been off before.
Yeah.
XRNLI car.
That's right, Royal National Lifeboat Institution. You may have to pull the middle bit out a bit more. There you go.
There you go.
Right, okay, we'll do, right, so let's do the wheel arch ones. You want to come around here, George, so we've gone on the wheel arch. Do those wheel arch ones there. Well, let me get a bit more light. Right, there we go, we've got some illumination on it now. Sometimes you need to get 2 screwdrivers, 1 each side, but you should be able to just work it out.
We'll go to the other side. It's coming.
It's coming, that's
there we
it. Get it.
go. A lot of mud in that.
Oh, we've got some pretty, he's caked.
Yeah.
He's caked up, but all these the same, I'm guessing now. We'll double check. Oh, don't scratch it. Right, and then try the top, work it from the top, from the bottom. Yeah, make sure you get the middle bit, not behind the... That's it. Oh, he popped out.
There you go.
Popped out, there you go. Right, yeah, so see if you can just get on that top bolt there, George, just a bit close to the wheel.
Yeah, that
There you
is.
go.
Got
Well, that's right, you got it, you got it. Right, so there we go. So we have got, oh, where's mine gone? There you go. So that's the bolt there. It's quite a coarse thread look on that one. Oh, if he's going to focus. Right, and then we've got to do those Phillips ones underneath, and then we've done everything. Let's just grab that. Right, we're underneath the front now.
Whoa.
Or are they going to be tight?
No, we're good.
Okay.
That is very tight though.
Yeah, don't round it, just keep it pushed in.
Oh yeah, that's...
Is he getting there? We'll have a look if he's coarse thread or fine thread. We'll have a look. All right. Right, we'll get on and do the rest of those. Right, we've also taken the 2 clips I showed you earlier under here. They're just plastic. See if it will come off. Right. Yeah. Right, let's see. Let's get this side. Oh, look. The grill comes off separate. There we go. And we've got these 1, 2, 3. Let's get those. Right, so we've done that. We think George has got a bit keen with the pressure washer. And look, it looks like he's bent some of the fins on the rad. That's not looking good, because that bit's clean as well, and that bit's dirty.
Whoops.
So, whoopsie. Right, we might need a... Right, let's have a look now if it's... Right, seems like... Okay. Right, that's clipped off. Okay. Right, that feels like it's... Now, there'll be some wiring to those fog lights. Right, it's still fighting me somewhere. Ah, hold on. Ah, there's one right at the back here. There's 3 right at the back here. Right, spin the torch round. Right, you join me under the car, and there's 3 fixings that you won't be able to see from the front as you get underneath. but they're right next to the anti-roll bar here. 1, 2, 3. We'll get those, and they're like a crosshead screw there. Look, the Suzuki wins, and the Halford's advanced. See the tip of the screwdriver there it's broken a whole swathe of it off. So they're the fixings. They've got these shoulder fixings. I've got 2 of them out. Let me see if I can get that last one out. Right, that looks like it wants to come off now. Ooh, okay, so we've got some wires coming out here. Yeah. We've got a polystyrene anti sort of crash reinforcer there. Now, where's best to disconnect these? Okay, so it comes to it looks like there's a connector here. Let me have a look if I can work that out. Right, so you've got to get your screwdriver sort of in behind here a little bit. I'll show you a bit more. And it does pull out, but the little mechanism that's supposed to move sort of got caked in mud. If you want to go, you've got the light mega mud. Let's have a go on this other one. Shine the light down there. Let me see if I can do it a bit clearer on this one. So you need to go, if you clean it off, right, you need to just lever out this top bit a little bit. Just a little bit.
There's a lot of clay.
There's a lot of clay mud on that. Where have we been?
Bristol.
Bristol, oh yeah. Right then.
That mud is just like clay. It literally just sets.
Oh, I need a thinner screwdriver. Okay, let's try that last bit. There you go. If we can just get in behind there, that gets that off. There's a little sort of ramp. It goes. Doop. There you go. So that is the bumper off. So let's have a look what we've got now. So that's the 2 fog light connections there. We've got a polystyrene. You move there, Megan. That's it. We got a sort of polystyrene reinforcer that spreads the load on impact, and we've got all this. Oh, that's probably do with the RNLI, isn't it? I think that's the reversing sounder we've got there.
Is it?
That's part of that. Obviously, then you could get the headlights off, and you're all. There's not a lot really here, is there?
I like it though.
But that's simple. Right, there you go. That's how to get the. We'll do a separate video changing the fog lights.